to start by removing the wheel 21mm socket. Remove all 5 of your lug nuts. And remove the wheel. I have my locking pliers on the back of this sway bar link stud here to hold the stud from spinning, and with a 14mm I'm going to remove this nut. Perfect. Remove the rest of the sway bar link. Do the same thing as you did to the top. Lock on your locking pliers. Try to get them on as tight as you can. Now let's remove it with a 14mm. There we go. There's your old sway bar link. Let's put the new sway bar link in through the bottom. I'm going to start on the new nut, and the new sway bar link actually has a little cutout, so you can put a 14mm wrench right in here and hold the stud as you tighten. With a 15mm now, let's snug this up. Now let's torque it. 29 foot-pounds for this nut here. Perfect. Now let's get our sway bar link back into the strut at the top. Start on the nut and bottom it out. $29 foot-pounds for this nut. Let's get the wheel installed. Let's put all 5 of your lug nuts on, bottom them out, and then we'll torque them to 76 foot-pounds.